Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for the love of decor and more. My name is Robin, and on this channel you will find lots of decorating and DIY ideas. On today's video, I will be decorating my formal dining room area. I have recently moved my formal dining room table into this space, and as I mentioned in prior videos, my dining room is connected to the room that I am in, which is the formal living room. So I will be decorating that space and also giving you ideas about how you can move certain furniture pieces to different spaces in your home to see which space better fits that piece of furniture. So if you like this kind of videos, please do hit that subscribe button, like the video, and share it. It really helps my channel. But in the meantime, let's get right into it. I won't be doing much talking in this video. I will just be decorating this area. I'm putting out some decor pieces on the formal dining room table, and also I will insert a clip a little later in the video of where the table was prior in the kitchen eating area so that you can compare the spaces and help me decide where this table fits better. I think it's a more formal look in the beige and creams kind of bring in the furniture in this formal living room. So I think it looks better due to size and the colors of the chairs, and the chairs being a little formal fits better in this space. But let me know in the comments where you think this table should find its permanent home, and I will be back soon. Enjoy.
I know one time, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it gon' be? G-Wagon, all the Benz, the girl them, ride the whip, I know feet, drive or not. What's it gon' be? G-Wagon, all the Benz, the girl them, ride the whip, I know, only what I thought now.
I've heard it all. Our conversations got me feeling I'm the fool. Like I should've listened when they said that you would treat me like he did.
Said I did it all. Situation makes me feel I'm not a man at all. Swore I'd be there, swore that I'd catch you fall. I guess I couldn't handle it. Oh. And I know you're probably thinking I ain't worth it, but I never want anyone to bring you any harm. And I take it all back just to have you in my arms. And I know for a fact who you are into we are.
a video of the table in the kitchen eating area. As you can see, it looks good in this space as well, as far as size and the look of the table. It does still tie in some colors in the family room and kitchen area. Ultimately, I'd like to have a glass table with the gold frame and some different chairs and like a kind of a less formal look. There are so many options, of course, out there for your kitchen table, but I am on the hunt for that. But this is the table in the other space.
Don't think you can about me, but you don't care about nobody.
Now, I thought I had 6 of these champagne flutes with the rhinestones. I might have, and maybe one got broken at some point and I just didn't notice. So I did go ahead and put at the head of each end of the table these wine glasses here that I got for my birthday. These are so pretty. So I think these work perfectly, being that it has that crystal on there. So I just did a quick little tablescape on the table, and that's my Michael Aram candle snuffer. That candle did come from Marshall's. It looks like it went out. I did light it, but I love the top of the candle, which is what made me purchase it. That really pretty cream flower there. And these 2 items here I did pick up from the at-home store. I think I showed those off in a prior haul, so I'm just now putting those to use. I went ahead and made a flower arrangement with some stems that I had and filled it with some hydrangeas around the edges just to give it a little bit of more of a fluff, full look, but not at the height of it, just focusing on the base, and just put in 2 green pieces of greenery in there just to break up the white a little bit. And as you can see, the colors in here are beige, and there's some taupes in here, all neutral colors, cream, and then that white from the stems. They do connect well with the 2 paintings on the wall. And I didn't make any changes over here to the buffet. I left that as is, shown in a prior video. So this table actually there's 2 leaves to fit inside. So I only have 1, which creates seating for 6, but it can extend to 8. But I just think it works so much better in this space. It's such a large area. It needs a large table. So as you can see, this is the formal living room area here. So it is all connected and has the same neutral colors going throughout. So I think it looks really good in here, the table instead of in the kitchen area. So I will need to buy another table. I mentioned in a prior video that I did have a pub table in the kitchen eating area, which I did sell so that I can purchase a new one at some point. But here is the final look. Okay. And this is a better view of the entire space all together to give you a better idea of how the room flows. Okay. So again, I think this table fits better. A little backstory on the chandelier here. When we bought the house, we had some things changed, fixed, updated, added, and this is one of the items that we had added into the home. But I wasn't home when the contractor installed it, and he, as you can see, installed it way too high. So I believe we have the cables that comes with the chandelier so that we can drop it lower as it should be. So it was kind of an out of sight, out of mind thing, and I just recently started focusing on it, and I'm like, we've got to get that lowered. You know, it just looks funny being so high to the ceiling. So that is something that I will work on getting done, getting that lowered. So let me know what you think in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and hit that notifications bell. And thank you again for coming over to my channel to view my content. And I will follow up with a few pictures. Until next time, bye.
But I never want anyone to bring you any harm. And I take it all back just to have you in my arms.